Hey y'all, got a small extra video for you to plug Advent of Code 2019. Advent of Code is a yearly event put on by this guy, Eric Wastel. He designs programming puzzles to count the days through December. This is last year's day one, challenge one. What's cool about Advent of Code is it doesn't matter what programming language you use. You just submit the output of your program, and if it's correct, you get the next challenge. And so, what people who are already experienced in programming like to do with this sometimes is to use this as an opportunity to learn a new programming language or to gain familiarity. Last year, I participated just a couple days worth because life's busy, so you can't always do everything. But I chose a couple of languages I wanted more familiarity with, so I did both Julia and Rust for a couple days worth, and I think it did help me to learn these languages better. I'm including this video on context free here because we talk about programming languages. I'm interested in using programming languages, in designing programming languages, and exploring the design space, in seeing programming languages as sports teams, see who's winning, why. All this stuff is interesting to me. And so I'm interested in that for the purpose of Advent of Code also as an opportunity to learn new languages. If you are a programming language designer, you might consider using your own language to see where its strengths and weaknesses are relative to the puzzles that come up this year. Anyway, this year I'm hoping to use Haskell to do at least some of Advent of Code because Haskell's a language that I've learned a little bit of, but I don't know nearly well enough. If any of y'all participate, you might consider doing this as well and learning something new about some language. I hope it's fun for anyone who does participate. Bye, y'all.